Okay, I'm about to show y'all how I make this touch-up look like I got a whole new style. Right now, this is a pre-wash. Now I'm about to show y'all what it look like after I wash my hair. All right, here we go. So, yeah, we're gonna start it. We're gonna pull our hair back. Then I'm actually gonna cut these out. Now, I would suggest y'all actually take your sections down first and then wash your hair. Basically, take down all the twists that you know you want to touch up and wash those sections and then begin to do your touch-up process. All right, y'all. So I'm gonna show y'all the gel that I'm using. Yeah, you see it. I have my first twist out, well, 2 twists that I want to touch up. Taste my gel. Okay, we know to slide it through in the middle. Then I'm gonna clean that part, y'all. I'm so extra about my part because you know we don't want a crooked part at the front. All right, but anyway, so I'm gonna do that. Then I'm gonna show y'all how I have, that's 1 piece of hair out of the Cuban twist pack. Split that in half, and I'm gonna use those 2 pieces first as I add them in. I'm gonna show y'all how to do it. I'm giving y'all 2 ways. Here's the first way. This oh my goodness, this way is the first way that I feel would be the probably easiest for almost anyone to do, because all I'm gonna do is just wrap that piece of Marley twist hair. That's just 1/2 piece, and then I'm going to start with a braid, y'all. And it's no particular number that I use as I braid it down, but you're gonna see I'm gonna braid down a few times. And then the important part is I'm going to split my natural hair into 2 before I begin to twist, but I'm gonna let y'all watch me do this first, okay? See what I do. All right. This is where I'm going to split that hair into 2. Then I'm going to begin to twist down, and I split my natural hair into 2. And then as I'm twisting down, I do use the Eco Style gel in that red one, because that's just the best one to me. And then in a minute, you're going to see me add in that other 1/2 piece. So I'm going to show you this again later, so you don't catch it this time. Keep watching. The trick is keeping that added hair firm as you begin to twist it down, okay? And you can see it looks good right there. All right, now y'all, all I'm gonna do is just keep twisting. I'm gonna measure it to see if I need to add another piece. Now you really could just keep twisting down here, but I wanted to add another piece in there, and I'm gonna take that 1/2 piece and 1/2 it again and then add it in there to make it a little longer. It's going to extend it. And remember, this is extra. You don't have to do that. It just depends on how you want your front to look. As I add that hair, that's the same motion I'm using as I'm twisting down. I'm just holding hair into it as I do it. So I'm gonna do it again. Just keep watching. If you need to rewind and slow it down, you can. Look at that. You can barely see that I added anything in there, but y'all, there we go. Here we go with method number 2 of how to install. So I'm gonna take my section and split it into 2, and then I'm gonna braid hair in there, y'all. This is actually the way that I added in there. This is, to me, I would say more advanced if you know how to, would I say cornrow? I don't know, but anyway, if you know how to braid hair in the box braid way, pretty much, then you can do this method. You know, I just want to show y'all, I do feel that your hair lasts longer, a lot longer, doing it this way. I'm gonna do this again. I'm gonna just let y'all watch, because to be honest, I'm not gonna be able to explain this to y'all. Y'all just gotta watch. And if you know how to do it this way, do it. If not, just do it the first way. I'm gonna let you watch for a little bit, because most of what I'm about to do next is going to be repeated steps from the first method. After that, I'll show you close up how each method looks at the root. Take a look, it's already looking great, and I installed all of them with that second method. The only one I didn't do with the second method was the very first one that I showed you. We have an added bonus coming up, because I'm gonna show you those parts that still look rough. I'm about to show you what I do to them instead of taking them out and having to redo those twists to make it a little simpler. So all I did was add in some jam, and then y'all, I'm just twisting, just as if you were pretty much doing like a lock retwist. That's all I'm gonna do, and I'm gonna let it sit and dry. And guess what? Bam, you're gonna see it looks just as good. And you can do a lot more of them than I did if you want to, but either way. Here's the finished product. Y'all, definitely feel like I got my hair done again. I had a wedding to go to, and guess what? Nobody's gonna know. Nobody knew that that's all I did. But anyway, it gives me more time to wear my style. Touch up your hair or go to your stylist and let them touch it up. I'm 5 feet tall, so you can see how long it is on me for reference. Please, I hope I helped you understand what I was doing. If I didn't, let me know so I can make some adjustments, and y'all have a blessed day. Take my hand.